So, what are you gonna do when you need help? Who you gonna call? You can call me. I'm Laura Nielsen, and I'm an advisor at Insight School of Kansas. In fact, I'm your advisor. So come on over to my place. I'll tell you a little bit about how things are done. So, one of the first things I probably should warn you about is that I have lots of pets, and Susie Q&A will be the first one to greet you at the gate. But make yourself comfortable. One of the great things about online schooling is no shoes are ever required. Let's head on up into my office. I have a computer just like you. That's where I do my schoolwork. I have a shaggy dog, I have a printer, I have snacks, all the stuff that makes you feel comfortable. In fact, I even have a gum tree made up of thousands of pieces of gum from students just like you from when I taught in the brick and mortar. I keep it to this day. I even have a student area with a yoga ball and supplies that students might use. You're probably wondering, okay, you're on a computer. How can you really help me, Laura? Well, I will drop everything just to help you work on your problem. I will. You can also join me each week in homeroom, where we hang out with each other and we get to know about our peers. I have Q&A sessions the first couple weeks, and you might be invited to my APG groups. You can always call me at 913-592-4600, extension 3043. I'm so lucky. You know why? Because I get to hang out with you for a living. If you ask me, it's a good day to have a